Happy New Year, everybody, and welcome back, YouTube. Hello, everybody. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful holiday season. And I just want to do this exciting Gucci unboxing for the new year. I've been wanting this item for quite some time, and I finally decided to purchase it. Not that I could have done it before, but I just prioritized because I had such a really wonderful 2019, mostly good, a lot of changes going on, and this is just to celebrate a couple of milestones in my life for 2019. So what better way to step into 2020 than with a great pair of luxury footwear, especially Gucci, which is, I think, one of my favorites. Not I think, I know. And they're one of the few footwear brands that that are luxurious but also comfortable, stylish. And Gucci can be a little trendy, but when it comes to some of their footwear, it's classic and it does stand the test of time. So without further ado, let me go ahead and share with you what I purchased. So this is the holiday bag, and my SA or CA, whatever you call them nowadays, he was able to find me one amongst the normal Gucci bag, because I had asked, oh, do you have any more holiday bags available, and he scrounged around, he found one that was I don't know if someone returned something and he saved them. Like, yeah, I love it. So otherwise, Gucci has a black and white classic looking bag. So here it is, and as you can see, well, I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'll tell you eventually in a couple of seconds that it is footwear. So here we are. Gucci. Alright, let me see if I can. Give me 1 second. Let me put it on top of this box. This is actually just a box and the first pair of Gucci's came in. Alright, so here we go. Easier this way to do it. Yes. All right, so these are the pair of classic footwear, 37.5 narrow. Okay, so here is the focus for you. My camera is not. That is the product code, size 37.25, which is a 7.5, and I'm happy that they came in true to size for me anyway. And these are a classic pair of the Jordan, Jordan. It's beautiful. Go. There you go. As you can see, is that better? I think they look like underneath, kind of like old school, old school soles, wooden soles. And I wouldn't be surprised if these were handmade, or at least, human assembly line. It's interesting. that before. Alright, and this is what they look like inside. Not that it's a big surprise, but if you can see that. It's kind of overcast today, so the Gucci little emblem there. And yeah, so these are the again, the Jordans, Jordan. And I believe, I didn't realize my CA I wasn't sure if he mentioned it to me, but I think the ones that they're selling now are more of a new fit. So I'm not sure if that means that they kind of made like cut them in a slimmer fashion. Still comfortable, but they look the same to me. But you know, because I went online and I was looking at another pair that I want to buy, but I just could not, you know, although I really wanted to. I wanted to get a pair of pink ones in a different style, but I guess these are, again, a newer fit, so I'm not sure what that means, but they are comfortable, they're classic, and they just, you know, again, they stand the test of time, and so you can't go wrong with these. So let me do a couple of mod shots with the footwear, and yeah, they were true to size for me. So give me a second, and I will go ahead and model these guys for you. Here are the ones on. My feet is a little weird because it's kind of wide, but fortunately these fit okay even when I've tried them on, and they will stretch according to the Gucci experts, so hopefully they do. But they are comfortable. I mean, they don't have socks on with them, and I think if you have a thin pair of like knee highs or stockings, what have you, you can actually slide in better. But yeah, I trust that they are right, and yeah, so don't mind my pajamas. But this is the way they are on, and yeah, so that is a classic pair of loafers, and you can see the horsebit, which they're using a lot now with their new line of the Gucci handbags. Don't recall what they're called, but yeah, the classic horsebit. And yeah, here they are. So, alright. And I wanted to show you, which I didn't get a chance to show you. Okay, with the box, you know, you have the care box. And this is the receipt. I'll show you that over there. And of course, the footwear comes with two of the dust bags for the shoes. So traveling, I'll put them away. So if you want to put them away. But yeah, so here they are. Excited to start wearing them. Yeah. Here are, again, the care books. And I think it's just over here. Here is the receipt envelope. And for those who want to know how much they are, these were, let's see, Gucci, and they were, I know, it's taking me forever to put these in. They were $730. Yeah, it's ridiculous how much they go up in price every year, whichever Gucci item it is, so you're better off if you want something to buy it now, because it seems like every November is when the price increase happens. Not only for Gucci, but also for Louis Vuitton. You have the Chanel, what have you. And yeah, so get it while it's less cheaper, because it seems like it goes up like at least 50-60 bucks every year. And I should grab these when they were available. Well, not available, but when they were, you know, much cheaper. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you can comment down below, and I will be back with more unboxings for sure. And I hope that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I want to wish each and every one of you who watched this video throughout the entirety a very merry 2020. May you have a wonderful year. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.